Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we've got an MS211 Stihl chainsaw with no spark. Did the usual things, took the spark plug out, pulled on it, no spark, took off the wire off the coil to, I can't remember exactly how Donny Boy puts it on his channel. Something to do with it disables all the on-off or something like that, I don't know. But I did that, didn't make any difference. So we're going to have to take this thing apart, take the coil off, and go get another one, basically. Yeah, and I haven't posted for a while, in case you haven't figured that out. Let's get on with it. So, just going by memory of the video, we've already got the spark plug out. And we've got to take these off. I got a Torx bit and a drill driver, but you know, it's only a few screws, it's not worth worrying about. Need a little something to prop it up a bit. There we go. Still getting her there. Now the one with the big washer goes up top. Alright. Pull this out. No reason this shouldn't come off easy now. Use a little cleaning too. Alright. So now we do the ground. The ground has a little bit finer thread. And there's one below. Again, a little bit finer thread. And the one with the washer goes on the bottom. That's the one with the washer. Goes on the bottom of the coil. Okay, now the coil comes out. Okay. There we go. Maybe we'll get a pair of pliers and pull the spark arrestor screen out. It's just a little piece of mesh screen. Oh. Yeah. Not even dirty. Look at that. See my hand right through it. Okay, let's just put it back in. Make sure you don't push it too far in case it does go all the way in, you'll never get it back out. Alright. Well, I think we're good for now. All we need to do is go order this thing. Okay, so we're going to stop the video here, and we'll pick it back up when I have this new one in my hand and we put it back together. Alright. Okay, back at the Stihl. Yeah, I was a little confused about where this black plastic part goes. But I think I figured it out. It's one of those things where when you're taking stuff apart, you just hear ting ting ting, and you're like, uh-oh, what just fell? Okay, like I said, there was a little confusion over where that black plastic part went. It actually went underneath the coil because the ground wire has to go through the bolt that holds the coil on, but I'll edit out all the me figuring it out, but it does go under the coil.